My video guide is about removing the browser notifications that are related to the website Copperblade.top. Copperblade.top is a malicious website that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. This site tries to mislead people and to make them click on a special allow button, supposedly to help users verify that they are not robots. But to click on allow is extremely dangerous, and this would hijack the browser right away. If you click on allow, you will be facing the tremendous portion of advertisements not associated with the sites that you visit. It was definitely a mistake to click on that button, but the good thing is that this mistake can be easily fixed. Access the menu, Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, then go down to Permissions and select Notifications. So now pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. Carefully remove all these malicious sites if you find them on the list. Finally, I recommend that you also investigate your device with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. Please get it on the page Copperblade.top. Download the program, install it, and then start investigating the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.